The Ensable Virtual Sales Development Rep is designed to help alleviate the work that you normally have to do on LinkedIn to prospect and network. But in addition to replacing that work, it's also going to enhance it. So what we use is intent data or predictive analytics to determine which prospects are most likely to create success for you. So for instance, if someone is active on LinkedIn, they're more likely to respond. Also, if they're moving offices or if they were recently buying companies or received venture capital, these events would also likewise help generate more revenue for your business. So there's a number of options to choose from when building your virtual sales development rep. Usually we're looking for new logo services, and the first section is identifying the sales triggers or intent data that would be relevant for you. We'll work very closely with you in this initial step to make sure that we get the optimal design for your virtual sales rep. You can also find referral partners, which is designed to help you connect with other companies that would make sense to network with. You can grow existing clients by ensuring that you're not only connected with them, but also watching for sales opportunities within these organizations. We also keep track of who's on your website anonymously. So with using a tracking pixel, we can see which companies are visiting your website, when they visited, where they visited. But in addition, we can also send LinkedIn invites to the individuals that are relevant to your business. So if someone from a specific company is on your website, then you can connect with the IT manager or the IT director or any other contact that you feel that would be relevant to the campaign. Lastly, once you finish this, what it's going to do is you'll be able to send these invites out indefinitely. You can also set it up to be a one-time or weekly or monthly campaign. But if you don't send it out through LinkedIn, it will simply send you a spreadsheet of contact data that you can use in an email campaign or a phone call campaign, and it will have all the relevant information that you need to be successful. Once you finalize that, you'll be able to set up multiple campaigns simultaneously. You can adjust your campaigns at any time, turning them on and off, changing the priorities, the state, the filters, and there's a number of other options that we can do to help you on the back end. Once you connect with an individual, usually that's the beginning rather than the end of the sales process. So before they respond, you have the option to add follow-up campaigns. So you can send them monthly endorsements. You can send follow-up messages based off of future triggers. These would go out every 50 days if there hasn't been any interaction between you and the prospect. If the prospect moves companies, or if they get a promotion, it will automatically find a contact to replace them and start following them at their new organization. Every morning you'll get an email highlighting anyone that you may have missed that has reached out to you, any contacts that have a new job, and also you'll be able to preview anyone that's going to receive an invite tomorrow so that you can adjust, edit, or filter anyone that you need to take out of those campaigns. You can see who received the campaign, who accepted, who responded, and in terms of the follow-ups, you can see who's received an endorsement or an automated follow-up. You can also see any types of moves, adds, or changes related to your prospects based on the triggers that are relevant to your business. All of this is part of the Ensable package, and essentially what we're trying to do is layer on intelligence on top of LinkedIn campaigns that run automatically, and everything that we focus on is everything that happens before the customer responds. Once they respond, we hand it off to you, the automation turns off, and you're able to run with the opportunity.